Hey guys, today we're going to be making strawberry shortcake crepe cake. Yay! Exciting! Love it, love it, love it! First, you want to sift together 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour, two-thirds cup of sugar, and a half teaspoon of salt. Then mix together all your dry ingredients. Now you want to crack in 3 room temperature eggs. And put 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Then roughly mix together, but don't mix everything. And put 3 tablespoons of melted unsalted butter. And also 3 cups of room temperature milk. Don't pour the milk all at once and pour milk in sections of 3. You want to then pour some oil on the pan and wipe the excess off with some paper towel. Put the pan on medium to medium-low heat and use 1/4 cup to scoop the batter. As soon as you pour the batter, swirl the pan as fast as you can to make the crepe shape. Don't worry if there's holes, you can just cover them with some batter. Flip the crepe after 10 seconds or until after the top is fully cooked. Repeat the process over and over again until you use all of the batter. And make sure to make the crepe as thin as you can. Don't forget to flip after 10 seconds and cook the other side for 5 seconds and then take it off the heat. You'll make around 16 to 20 crepes. After you finish, make sure to fully cool the crepes. Make sure to dry your strawberries with a paper towel to make sure they don't slide off the cake. To make the whipped cream, you want to put 3 cups of heavy whipping cream, half a cup of sugar, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. To assemble the cake, you want to first put some cream on the bottom to hold the cake in place. Then put your crepe, then put a thin layer of whipped cream. And you want to repeat that process until you stack 5 to 6 crepes. Then you want to put the strawberries and you want to make it as flat as possible. After you put your strawberries on, you want to put another level of cream. Then repeat by putting your 5 to 6 crepes and then your strawberries. After you finish assembling, don't eat the cake right away, but chill it overnight and eat it the next day. It'll be so much more delicious and so much more softer the next day. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I really hope you enjoyed it. I love strawberry anything, and I love crepes, and I really like cake, and when eaten together, it's such a wonderful combination. I just love it. So don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment down below, turn on your notification bell, and like this video. I hope you guys have the most awesomest day ever. I hope that's a word. And bye!